morning. Hope everybody's had a good week. Unfortunately, my videoing week has been like crap. I been doing something. I must be hitting it with my hand or something when I'm sticking the phone in my pocket. I lost video footage of an offload, and I lost video footage of the load that's currently on the trailer being loaded. But we'll take a look at what I have. It's some sawmill equipment, and the way that they got it stacked, it's stable, and I have a lot of securement on it. But I think I'm gonna add even more because I'm a securement freak. You know, if it's gonna take 15 more minutes to secure something down where you can almost guarantee that nothing will happen. I mean, let's face it, there's no 100% guarantee. It's just not there. But you know, I got to go 600 and something miles with it, and we're going to make sure that it is as secure as possible to the best of my ability, you know. And I'll show you what I did. And I think, to be honest, I think it's adequate, but I would just rather take that extra 15 minutes. But we're working on another low project today. If y'all recall 2 videos back, I believe it was, I did the air intake vents on the side of the hood because they would rattle or vibrate or whatever the hell you want to call it. And there's 2 more that's under the hood, and I'm gonna see if I can stop those. I tried something in the past. It did not work, so I'm gonna try something new today, and we're gonna jump out in a little bit. I'll show you the load and show you exactly what I'm doing. And there went the coffee for the day. So hopefully this will work, and it'll get rid of that vibration, rattle, whatever the hell you want to call it, and make it a little bit more pleasant to listen to when the truck is running and you're standing by the hood. So, all right, let's hop out the truck and show you what we're working with. All right, so these are the covers that cover the headlights, and they vibrate when the truck is idling in the morning, and I cannot stand that. And as you can see, I have some tape that I've tried in the past to see if it would help make the cover just a little bit tighter, but it hasn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel that off, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some Velcro along the edges, not along the whole thing. I just got 2 little small pieces, and see if that'll work. What I had to do was, you can see it on this one, I started it already, and these lid covers do not like to stay up. This one's already missing the tape. I already peeled it off and got the area cleaned. I'm gonna clean off the inside of here, that way the Velcro can stick, and we'll let y'all know the result of that, see if it works. But this is the load that I was just now talking about, and as you can see, I got a chain that's running, well, across all of it, and those chains are pulling down and backwards to try to stop any forward momentum. I also have, as y'all can see, it's kind of a tight area because I got a truck on the side of me. I have 6 straps pulling down, and I also have a chain here on the second layer. I'm pretty sure you can see it up there, I hope at least. And then I got some electric motors. Looks like I had a edge protector come off. I'm gonna have to see where that came from. Obviously it's not needed, but each one of these have 2 chains on it, and I don't know if you can really tell, but that's a motor right there, and I have a strap over it with a piece of like carpeted edge protection that I have. Same thing for this one here. And I wasn't really crazy about them putting these 2 electric motors on the very back, but I feel that they're secure. These straps are super tight, and you can see where all of the straps go over the pulleys and stuff like that. I got edge protection to try and prevent the strap from abrasions. But that's what we got going on this weekend. These are running down to Lafayette, Alabama, and like I said in the previous little section, it's about 650 miles, and I might even throw another 2 pieces of securement on here, just because I like to make sure everything's over secured. So alright, we're gonna head in this video here. Sorry, I got close to the APU, so it got real noisy, and let you know how the results turn out for the little bit of Velcroing that I'm gonna do. So alright, I'll see y'all a little bit later. Alright, well, this is about as energetic as I can get. It's 3:45 in the morning. We're about to get on the road. Everything looks good with this load. I checked everything. Everything's super tight. We're gonna be headed to Lafayette, Louisiana. I'm sorry, I said Lafayette, Louisiana. Lafayette, Alabama. Catch me a little shot of Mountain Dew. Get me some caffeine so I can get rolling this morning. Ooh, it's too early. And I keep saying to myself, why the hell are you up at 3:45 in the morning getting on the road on a Sunday? I just want to beat as much traffic as possible, that's it. I don't know when I'm going to shut down. I just know I'm going to try to get some miles in this morning. Probably going to stop off in Piedmont, South Carolina. Again, get me some fuel, because besides Louisiana, it's the cheapest in my route. I think I paid $2.92 the other day, $2.93, something like that. But let me tell you, this truck stop is a cluster. I mean, people are parked everywhere. At least that's the way it was last night. Maybe it's the same way this morning, I don't know. But we in Rutherglen, Virginia. Oh, you know what? They have a Golden Corral at this Pilot Flying J, whatever it is. I think it's a Flying J. So I went and ate, and let me tell you, I probably ate about 1.5 pounds worth of steak, and at least another 0.5 pound to 1 pound of other foods. And oh, was I hurting last night. I way overate. But it tasted good, So, alright. Let's pull on out of here. And we'll get some video footage of getting out this maze of a truck stop. In Ville Platte, Louisiana. We're going to be picking up a ball joint. Listen to me, I'm sorry, ball valve. And they're about to come out with it, so we're going to go ahead and get y'all set up on the trailer so y'all can watch this. And I'll see y'all in a little bit. little controversy on this one. The broker said that the load was 29,000 pounds, and when the shipping manager, I guess you would call him, came out, he told me that it was going to be 4 pieces at 41,000 pounds. And we almost pulled off from the load because I contacted the broker, let him know, hey, it's not 29,000 pounds, it's 41,000 and some change. I can still haul it for you, but it won't be the same rate. He got a little upset and was like, oh, it's only supposed to be 1. I said, well, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. This is what they're telling me. And before I could tell him, well, look, you know, give me an additional $150 and I'll haul the additional weight for you. He was like, well, you could just go ahead and leave. And so I said, okay. As I'm about to pull out the facility, he calls me back. There was a mess up, and it actually, one valve at 29,000 pounds. Actually, it's 28,600 and something, but I don't know the exact numbers. But we're all loaded up, and we're going to be getting on the way. This ain't going to deliver today. This is going to deliver on Thursday. So it'll actually give me a little bit more time home to spend with the wife and the kids. Then we'll get back on the road. Maybe run a little short run. I don't know. I just know I got to make it back for Christmas. I'm not missing Christmas. So on that note, we're going to go ahead and get on out of here. We're going to go head back to the truck stop. We're going to park for the day. I might have my wheels that I pulled off the trailer sold. So I'm going to see if the guy shows up. Supposedly he's supposed to come today about 1 or 2 o'clock. Cash out on that ticket. And then get on the road tomorrow morning and deliver this ball valve. So, alright. Y'all have a good one. And I'll talk to y'all a little bit later.